Hey, what's going on YouTube? So it's Nathan back here with another one, bringing to you a new free movies and TV show app. It just got loaded onto the Amazon Firestick app. It's called IMDb Freedive. Amazon just released this just yesterday on Thursday, and I'm bringing this to you today. Just want to show you what this has to offer. It's got a lot of great content in here. If you're familiar with when Netflix started, they had a bunch of old movies that were free that you could stream. This is exactly like it. It's still up and coming. It's still brand new. They still have a short supply of movies and TV shows. But as you can see, they got a great variety of what you can watch. They got drama, they got comedy, and I'm just going to show you a brief glimpse of what they do have as far as the sections go. You got drama, comedy, action, and adventure. As you can see, they got Anaconda, which was a classic movie. They have a bunch of classic movies in here that you may or may not have seen, and if you want to, definitely take a look at those. Definitely take a look, because a lot of these movies are really good. They were probably #1 movies when they first came out. And what I do like about this is that it's brand new. It's very well presented. Amazon knows exactly what they're doing, and I say that mainly because they already have a subscription service, which is Prime Videos. Now you come out with a free service, which is IMDb, and it's not just movies. They actually give you a wide variety of alternate options, and let me show you what I mean by that. Alright, so if I click on The Last Samurat with Tom Cruise, it also shows you the rating, how many ratings it has, reviews. It's got over 1,400 reviews. It was rated 7.7 out of 10. It shows you the description. It shows you just about everything. And as I scroll through these movies here, if I wanted to click on one of these movies here, customers also watched, Live, Die, Repeat. If I click on that, it'll then show us exactly how we can watch that movie. So this is through PlayStation View. And you may be saying, well, that's not free. Well, it's not free, but it is a great source. As far as that was a great movie, so if you wanted to watch it, remember I gave you Cinema HD, which is a free source. You just pull up Cinema HD and then you have a great movie to watch. And it's a movie that you probably would have overlooked because it's an older movie. So this is a great source, and that's why I think it's such a great idea, because IMDb is known for having casts, reviews, trailers of all the movies, and it puts it right here on the Amazon Fire Stick for us. You got this actor. It will show every actor in the movie, every main critical actor, and it'll show every movie that they've been in, which is awesome. And let me go and touch on this real quick. That's just for the customers also watch section. But as far as The Last Samurai, as you can see right there, watch on Freedive, free with add-ons. As long as it says that on the movie that you click, it's free. You just click on that movie, and then you have to watch a 10-second ad or 5-second ad, which is nothing, and then the movie will play right away. But if I back out, and I'm not going to play the movie mainly because, due to copyright and all that, and I don't even want to get into that. But if we proceed, I do want to show you the popular tab, and if I did see heroes in here, so I'm going to show you heroes, for instance. So once we're in here, as you can see, all of the movies on that main screen, those are going to be your Freedive movies. And I've been saying it wrong this whole time, Freedive, not Freedive. But those are going to be your Freedive, and then they have every season of Heroes. To my knowledge, I believe there was either 4 or 5 seasons. I'm not exactly sure if there was more than 4. But I have watched Heroes, and that's an awesome series if you haven't watched it. But they do have every episode in HD, so I would definitely recommend that you check that out. And the same thing goes for every movie on here. They have every actor in every movie that they've ever played in, or every TV show that they are in. And then as far as Milo goes, he stars in This Is Us. And if I click on This Is Us just to show you what happens when you click on these movies under the additional options for the characters themselves. This one, for instance, This Is Us, you can watch this for free on the NBC app on the Amazon Fire Stick. So definitely check that out. A lot of them will give you options as far as if it's free, if it's not. And if it's not free, once again, pull up your cinema app, pull up that TV show or movie, and watch it on cinema. And use this as a guide or a source to pick out great movies. That's all I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this video. Definitely comment below any movies that you're interested in seeing on the Freedive app. And once again, this is brand new. Definitely let me know what you think of this app. Give it a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace.